In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Jira issue. If an issue has been deleted in Jira, the first thing to understand is that deleted issues usually cannot be recovered directly from the recycle bin, because Jira does not provide a standard undo option for issue deletion. That means the recovery process depends on whether you can confirm the deletion and whether a usable backup exists. Start by confirming that the issue was actually deleted. Log into Jira and search for the issue in a few different ways. If you know the issue key, search for that first. You can also try searching by the issue summary or by using any saved filters that would normally include the issue. The goal here is to make sure the issue is truly gone and not simply hidden by permissions, filters, or a different project view. Once you've checked these options and the issue is still unavailable, you can move on knowing that it was most likely deleted. Next, check whether you have backup data available for your Jira environment. This is the most important part of the recovery process. Look into your Jira backup setup and see whether backups were enabled before the issue was deleted. Depending on how Jira is hosted, you may find backups in Jira Cloud Backup settings, Jira Data Center backup files, or through your organization's own backup tools. What you're looking for is a backup that was created before the issue was removed. Without that, direct restoration usually won't be possible. If a suitable backup exists, go to Jira Administration and open the System area or the Backup Manager, depending on your Jira version. From there, restore the backup that contains the deleted issue. After the restoration is complete, verify that the issue appears again. It's very important to be careful at this stage because restoring a backup can overwrite newer data. In other words, changes made after that backup was created may be lost, so this step should always be planned carefully and, ideally, coordinated with your team. If no backup exists, the practical alternative is to recreate the issue manually. After that, restore the related information around it. Relink any connected issues so dependencies and references are accurate again. Re-add attachments that were originally part of the issue. Recreate subtasks if they were also lost, and then update the workflow status and all relevant fields so the new issue matches the original as closely as possible. That's how to recover a deleted Jira issue.